Hi, welcome to The Last Cask. It's David Mason. I'm back with a fantastic whiskey from GlenAllachie. But not just a GlenAllachie 12-year-old. This was specially selected for the Inverurie Whisky Shop in Aberdeen under Mike Hurst by Billy Walker. He's put this together. It's a fantastic whiskey. I've actually tried it. It was that good. I bought 2 bottles, and this one I'm going to open for you today and share that with you. Now, this whiskey was laid up in bourbon barrels, and then it was finished in Oloroso sherry casks. It's got a little bit of information on the bottle for you, so we'll have a look at this now and just give you an idea some of the technicalities and the cask number 7169, age 12 years, cask type Oloroso Puncheon, so that's roughly a 500 litre cask. Date bottled May 2020, date distilled 17th of the 5th 2007, and this is bottle number 597 of 715 bottles, and it's 60.3 ABV in volume. Natural colour, non-chill filtered of course, and yeah, well, as I say, it's going to be great. So I think we should grab a glass and unwrap this little monster. Oh, very exciting. Hole in one. Beautiful. Well, straight away it's beautiful, rich mahogany colour there. I suspect it's going to have a very nice pair of legs on it. Yeah, there's nothing even running down the glass yet. It's taking its time, very slow. But have a look at that colour. Beautiful, rich mahogany. Wow, that's what you want from a good Oloroso sherry cask. And remember, this was a puncheon, so it's a big old cask. Anyway, let's have a go on the nose. So you've got beautiful soft treacle. Figs, raisins, sherry fruits, definitely. Orange zest. A little bit of cinnamon, probably from the cask wood. It's very nice, beautiful. Now it's 60.3 ABV, so I'm going to try it with a bit of water. Probably change the character a bit in the nose. Just opened up, more sherry fruits there. Raisins, dates, figs. Beautiful. It's got a nice cask influence there, sherry wood. It's beautiful. So we've got some water added. Let's go for the palate. Well, it starts quite more fruity, raisinous, treacle, Christmas spices. All of a sudden, it goes straight into that. It's not it's not creamy per se, and it starts to get actually quite drying but spicy, tingly. You get an orange zest, cloves, but it's just like deep, rich Christmas cake. And then you've got a little bit of creaminess in the background now. Let's try one more. A little bit of like vanilla pod. Chocolatey. You've really got a beautiful chocolate, orange, deep fruit richness in this. It's a lot going on in your mouth. And like a lot of sherry, you get those, nice tannins. This is not cloying, drying. It's really developing in my palate. It's long. It's long. It's warming, and it's just got an absolute warm finish. I'd say this is probably more of a winter dram, but do you know what? Who cares? Drink it anytime. So thank you for listening, and remember, this has been put together by a legend in the whisky industry, Billy Walker, the indefatigable Billy Walker. So good job, Billy, and thank you. And I'll raise a glass and say, Slanjivar.